What's up everyone, I'm Carter Wiedenhoeft, and I play the drums in Knee High July and the Lavender Project. And I've been drumming for about 16 years and recently have begun playing with Collision 5B standard drumsticks, and I've got to say I love them. They hold up really well to the rigorous abuse I put them through, and they just have a perfect weight in my hand. They feel really good, super comfy to hold, love the finish, nice and smooth, good sticks. And as a company they're really great too. They're super attentive and communicative with their artists. They'll get back to you quickly, the product gets to you quickly, it's great. They're a company by drummers for drummers, and I really like that. So I'm going to play for you today my band Knee High July's song Tired. Hope you enjoy it.
Tossing you turn, but darling, you didn't get no sleep. You say it's heavy, been weighing on your mind, but you chased it through darkened forests, just looking for somewhere to hide. Tired, and I know you're weak. I know you're tossing your turn, but darling, you'll fall back asleep. You say it's heavy, the weight that you hold. I don't know anything, darling, but you're gonna break from the mold. When you wake up, oh, you wake up, but you never open your eyes. Then you wake up, but you're